this little adventure reading Board Gay Werewolf, I realised I never actually ended up updating you on my thoughts or my review once I had finished, so I'm going to do so now. I put this in my mediocre category and thought it was an okay read. This had themes of friendship, both real and fake, and what that means, finding yourself, learning to love your life as it is, werewolves, and a hint of other magical creatures woven in with reality. An easy, digestible read that was just something which you could immerse yourself in, but not something which you should look much deeper into, and definitely use the werewolf as a means to get around the plot and give these life lessons, I think. Not one that I would highly recommend, but if you're in the mood for any of these themes, then I think you would enjoy it. Seem to be in some sort of reading slump, which is oddly bizarre because I have such a desire to read. However, I'm 91 pages through We Play Ourselves, and I picked up Babel to try and see whether I was in the mood for a fantasy, and I'm a few pages through this one as well. I read a few more pages than I had already, and not connecting with this one either. I don't know what I'm in the mood for, but I know that I want to read, and I'm really struggling with what to pick up, so I'm in such a predicament. This homebody diaries has been an exceptionally weird mashup of days combined. Ever since getting the kittens, life has been a bit hectic and we're only on the first week of having them, so apologies for the not conformed and well packaged video that I usually hopefully offer, but I just wanted to round up this video because I've come to an end of a book, and that is We Play Ourselves. I was reading this one throughout this video and I kind of hit a bit of a snag with it when I picked up Babel because I wasn't 100% certain whether I was enjoying it or not and whether I was connecting with it, but I ended up really enjoying it. I'm rating it in my good tier, and this one was full of the idea of plays and the idea of telling a story and people not necessarily understanding that, stories being timely, and how your audience really impacts art and work. And it's definitely a discussion on art and how when sometimes something isn't timely, or when sometimes something isn't current, it's dismissed, and it's not until later on that that's when that gets appreciated, and in different spheres how different things get appreciated. And yeah, I thought it was great. It also had themes of jealousy and understanding life growing up, and a lot of different people involved in this story as well, with different being in different stages of their lives. So I definitely recommend this one if those themes sound interesting to you and you're interested in the concept of art and interested in the concept of sort of understanding art and all of that it encapsulates, I suppose. So yes, I recommend this one, and I had fun reading it eventually. I did have fun at the beginning, just hit a bit of a slag and a lull, but I think that was also just adapting to life and dealing with life as well, so not really a reflection on this book. But thank you ever so much for watching this video and joining on this adventure. Hopefully going forward my content will be back to being a bit more concise and a bit less everywhere, all over the place. So I hope that wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you have a wonderful day or night, and until next time, bye.